Hi, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and it's your day trading update. It's December the 9th. So I wanted to clarify today on our trade alerts that are going out on our WhatsApp group. You're getting 3 alerts per contract per day if they trigger. So the first alert is a trigger. In other words, it's a get interested. It's not when we're actually trading. The next one in that instrument, if you do receive one, is when we've actually gone and placed a trade long or short. And then the third one is we've closed it out when either our stop loss is hit or our parameters, our upside parameters are hit. Or if we're getting towards the end of the day, because we don't carry trades overnight, we close out the trade as well. So I'm going to show you that now as we go through a chart, just to give you an example. So here's an example of a trade we've just recently put on with the British pound versus the US dollar. So the first alert that goes out in our WhatsApp group occurs when our RSI, 50-minute RSI, hits over 70. So that's indicating that the currency pair may be overbought, and I may be in inverted commas. The second alert that you get is when we've actually placed a trade. So you can see we've put on a 5-point trade here. We're currently about down €2 or whatever on it. So that occurs when we feel that the actual uptrend in this case is broken, and that we've now either started to neutralize or potentially starting to trend down. So that's why we've gone short. So the second alert that is received is actually when we've placed the trade. And then the third alert will come later on. And that will happen in 3 different scenarios. So the first scenario is when RSI hits 50. So whatever our profit is then, we take it off the table. It could be €2, it could be €50. Or if we make 10 points profit here. So we've bet €5 per point. So if we made a total of 50, we'd be out. So whichever of those two comes first. And then I suppose the last one and the least desirable one is our stop loss. So we have a stop loss rule, as you know, that we're only prepared to risk 2% of the value of the account. So this account is a 10K account, so €200 per trade. If we're betting a €5 a point, that means our stop loss is 40 points ahead. So it gives us plenty of wiggle room here to actually stay in this trade if it starts going against us in the short term. If we upped our bet size, that stop loss would have to come in. So it's those 3 scenarios will be the third alert. We're either getting stopped out at a loss or we're going to reach our profit potential. And finally, if it's getting towards 10 p.m. Irish time, we will close out the trade, whether we're in a win or a losing position. The reason is we don't want to carry the trade overnight, and we don't want any overnight carry-on fees either. So that's our WhatsApp alert system explained. I hope you understand it. If you have any questions, please send me a WhatsApp or go to the website sharenavigator.ie, talk to us on the chat function. Thanks, bye for now.